In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design YouTube thumbnail in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to find a great template in Figma's community, bring it into your own file, and customize it to match your content. Start by heading to figma.com in your browser. Figma runs smoothly on modern browsers, and a free account is enough for this workflow. Once you're in, look for the community section. This is Figma's built-in library where creators share templates, components, and design files you can reuse. It's a huge time saver, especially for repeatable assets like thumbnails. Inside Community, use the search bar and type YouTube thumbnail. You'll see a variety of styles, from bold, high-contrast designs to clean, minimal looks. You can scan previews to find something that fits your channel's vibe. When possible, choose templates that clearly show a main subject, have large, readable text, and use strong color contrast. Those traits perform well at small sizes. When you find one you like, open the Files page and select it. Look for the option to open it directly in Figma. This will load the template in your workspace so you can inspect layers, fonts, and components. If the file contains multiple frames, identify the specific thumbnail frame you want to use. Next, select the design frame you want and copy it. Click the frame name in the Layers panel to grab the entire layout, then use the standard copy shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This ensures you bring over all nested elements like text, effects, and images in one go. Now switch to your own project file and paste the frame with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Position it on your canvas and consider renaming the frame so it's easy to find later. If any fonts are missing, swap them for close alternatives to keep the layout intact. Finally, customize. Update the title text with a short, punchy phrase, aim for just a few words, and scale the font so it's legible even as a tiny preview. Replace images by selecting a placeholder and using the image fill in the right sidebar, or drag a new image onto the layer. Adjust colors to match your brand while preserving contrast between background and text. Keep the focus clear. One subject, one message. Use subtle shadows or strokes to separate elements and leave breathing room so nothing feels cramped. Most YouTube thumbnails are 1280 by 720 pixels, so confirm the frame size matches that for best clarity. And that's it. Find a template, open it, copy, paste, and customize. You're ready to produce consistent, eye-catching thumbnails quickly.